Haha, gotcha. You clicked this video. That I know you were thinking about it. You're thinking, I don't need someone to tell me about UTV driving mistakes, but you do. I do. I mean, this has come from someone that's been upside down, on fire, maybe at the same time. I feel like I know what I'm talking about here. So the very first thing, I mean, that leads us right into it, is being overconfident. You know, you got your Honda Civic, you know how the steering wheel works and brakes and everything else. You're like, oh yeah, I got this. Well, you get out here on the trail and these things are just super powerful. They have, you know, all the big suspension, they handle a little different, the traction's different, and you get overconfident and you're gonna get in trouble, you know? So that's the first thing. The second thing is everybody wants to do a donut. The very first thing I want to do is do a donut. We've all seen the videos. They go terribly wrong. You know, it is really hard to do a very nice donut. Most of the time you're gonna end up upside down, on your side. Brings me to another thing. Keep your hands, your feet inside the vehicle, seatbelt on. Every time you get in that thing, it doesn't matter if you're gonna go 20 feet, put your seatbelt on. If you're a super crazy driver, get some harnesses. Make sure you're buckled up at all times. Helmets are a good idea as well. One more thing, if you probably ought to let someone know where you're gonna be. So whether that's your wife, your mom, bring your buddy with you. That's even better, because you're probably gonna need to have someone help you get back to the truck. Then the last thing is learn about your CVT belt. You're gonna burn a belt. We've got videos that teach you when to shift into high and low, how to conserve your belt a little bit. Make sure and go and check out our video on that. All right, when you're done rolling on its side, scratching it up, burning your belt, make sure and go to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We can get you all set up on all the parts that you need so you can go out and do it all over again. No, in all sincerity, you know, we want you guys to be safe. And so make sure and just be safe out there, right? I mean, that's what this is all about. But if you like content like this, if you want to check out more of our videos, make sure and subscribe, and we'll check you next time.